Hello everyone. Today I am going to solve the questions. That our question is quadratic equations x square plus bx plus c equal to 0, and it is the standard form of quadratic equations. Okay. So what is A? A is the coefficient of x square and b is the coefficient of x and c is the constant term. Where A does not equal to 0, then it will be a quadratic equations. Otherwise, if A will be 0, then we can say that it is not a quadratic equations. Okay. Now I am going to find out the nature of this quadratic equations. What will be the nature? First of all, we have to find out d, discriminant. This is the formula b square minus 4ac. Okay. This is the formula. Using this formula, we are going to find out the value of x of this quadratic equation. So what is the quadratic formula? The quadratic formula is minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac by 2a, or we can write it here minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac. This one, their values to be b by 2 into a. Okay. Next. Suppose that if d equal to 0, then what will be the nature of this quadratic equation? D equal to 0. If d less than 0, d greater than 0, for that there is some criteria we are going to solve. Okay. Suppose that is first is if d is equal to 0. Okay. If d equal to 0, then I am going to take the examples. Then after we can understand what is the criteria, what is the nature of this proof. Okay, d equal to 0. Let the examples. I am taking examples. 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 equal to 0. We have this equation. Okay, where a equal to what? 3 and b equal to minus 4 root 3x and c equal to 4, because it is in the form of x square plus bx plus c. So I took a equal to 3, all the terms I taken. Now what we have to find out? Nature. How we will find? Using this formula we will find out. Okay. Thereafter x is equal to minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay. And minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac is b by 2a. Now look at here. Minus b. What is b? B is this one. The minus into minus 4 root 3. Okay. Plus minus root under d. We know that d equal to what? B square minus 4ac. Directly we can put it here. Okay. What is b square? The b square, the b is our minus 4 root 3 into a square minus 4. A is what? 3 and c is what? 4. And 2a, 2 into what? 2 into a, 3. Okay. Next term I am writing here. Okay. Is equal to minus 4 and here minus plus 4 root 3 plus minus root under minus 4 square 16 and root 3 square 3, that will be equal to what? 48 minus 4 3 is 12, 12 4 is 48 by 2 into 3, that is 6. Okay. Now it equal to 4 root 3 plus minus 0 by 6. That means 4 root 3 plus minus 0 we have to take, because it is quadratic equations. The power is 2, means their value will be, we will get two values. Okay, two equal values we will get. How we will get? Look at here. 4 root 3 plus 0 by 6 and 4 root 3 minus 0 by 6 is equal to 4 root 3 by 6 and 4 root 3 by 6. Now it will be cancelled. 2 to the 4, 2 3 the 6, and 2 root 3 by 3 and 2 to the 4, 2 3 6. 2 by 3 root 3. These are the roots of this given equation when only when d equal to 0, then we can say that the given equation has two real equal roots. Okay, two real equal roots. If d equal to 0, then similarly we can find out if d less than 0. Suppose that we are taking the examples. Okay, examples d less than 0, greater than 0 we are taking. Okay, now I am taking d less than 0. Okay, and their examples also we are taking. Examples we are taking 4x square minus 5x plus 3 बराबर 0 is equal to 0. What is the value of a? 4. B equal to minus 5. C equal to 3. Okay, so first of all I am finding d discriminant. Yes, we can discriminant also find out. D equal to b square minus 4ac, we know that. Okay, b is what? Minus 5 whole square minus 4a. A is what? 4 and c is 3. Minus 5 whole square means what? 25, and it will be what? 4 4 ja 16 and 16 3 ja 48. 23 minus 23. We are getting here d equal to minus 23 means that d is our less than 0. So the given equation has what? So the given equation has no real roots. Okay, no real roots. How it has no real roots? Suppose that means b square minus 4ac, our this term is this term minus b plus minus root under this term is negative, so we can't find out the roots of this equation because b is negative. Okay, that means less than 0 means negative, that's why it has no real roots. Okay, similarly we can take d greater than 0 also. Then suppose that b greater than 0, so b square minus 4ac greater than 0, so it has two real roots but unequal, two distinct root, unequal. We can take examples also, but by this process we can find out this kinds of value, and this is the nature of the given quadratic equations. Using this formula, quadratic formula, we can find out quadratic nature of the given equation. Okay, any equation you have, we have any equation, we can find out using this formula. Even first into last method also we know that. Okay, if the given equations are not going to solve on the first into last method, after that what I will do, we will apply this formula. Using this formula, any quadratic equations you have, we have to find out nature of the roots using this formula only. Okay, any equation you have, using this formula we can find out quadratic equations nature. Okay,